Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to discuss the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Ring 2, which is set to be unveiled at the Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event on January 22nd. This new smart ring is poised to make waves in the wearable tech market with its innovative features and enhancements. One of the standout features of the Samsung Galaxy Ring 2 is its enhanced health sensors. These improvements are designed to provide more accurate and comprehensive health monitoring, making it easier for users to track their fitness and wellness goals. Whether you're keeping an eye on your heart rate, sleep patterns, or activity levels, the Galaxy Ring 2 offers advanced capabilities to help you stay on top of your health. In addition to improved health sensors, the Galaxy Ring 2 is equipped with smarter AI capabilities. These enhancements allow the ring to offer more personalized and intuitive assistance, making it a valuable companion for daily life. The AI can learn from your habits and preferences, providing tailored recommendations and insights to enhance your overall experience. Another key feature of the Galaxy Ring 2 is its impressive 7-day battery life. This extended battery life means you can wear the ring continuously without frequent recharging, ensuring that you have consistent access to its features and benefits. Whether you're traveling or simply leading a busy lifestyle, the long-lasting battery is a significant advantage. To accommodate a wider range of users, the Galaxy Ring 2 will be available in 2 new sizes, expanding the total range to 11 sizes. This ensures a better fit for more users, enhancing comfort and usability. The additional sizes make it easier for everyone to find the perfect fit, making the Galaxy Ring 2 a more inclusive option in the wearable tech market. With these advanced features and improvements, the Samsung Galaxy Ring 2 aims to be a strong competitor in the wearable tech market. Its combination of enhanced health sensors, smarter AI capabilities, impressive battery life, and expanded size options makes it a highly appealing choice for consumers looking to upgrade their wearable technology. The Galaxy Ring 2 is set to redefine what smart rings can offer, providing a comprehensive and user-friendly experience. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Ring 2 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting wearable tech releases of 2025. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest news and insights on upcoming tech innovations.